Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn off PS5 if frozen. If your PS5 is frozen and unresponsive, you can turn it off using the following steps. For shutdown, using the power button. The power button is located in the front of the PS5. On the standard PS5, it is at the bottom of the console if it's standing vertically. On the PS5 Digital Edition, it's the only button on the front. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear two beeps. The first beep will occur immediately, and the second beep will occur after 7 seconds. This forces the PS5 to shut down completely. After hearing the second beep, the PS5 will begin to shut down. Wait for all the lights on the console to turn off completely before proceeding. By following these steps, you can force your PS5 to shut down if it becomes frozen or unresponsive. It's important to use the power button method first before resorting to unplugging the power cable to minimize the risk of data corruption. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.